Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Rocket Unlock Home Ownership app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Rocket is a real estate and mortgage app designed to simplify the home buying process by combining property search with financing options. It allows users to browse homes for sale, estimate mortgage payments, get pre-qualified, and connect directly with Rocket mortgage experts, all in one place. The app also offers real-time interest rate updates, personalized loan recommendations, and document uploads to keep the process moving smoothly. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean design, fast loan pre-approval process, and integrated home search tools that make buying a property less overwhelming. The ability to track your mortgage application and communicate with a dedicated loan officer within the app is another highlight. The mortgage calculators and affordability tools also help first-time buyers understand their budget before they start house hunting. Still, it's not without its downsides. The app primarily focuses on properties and loans within Rocket's service network, which may limit options compared to other real estate platforms. Some users mention occasional app crashes or delays in document verification. Additionally, while it streamlines the process for those working with Rocket Mortgage, it may not offer the same flexibility for buyers wanting to compare multiple lenders in depth. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Rocket Unlock Home Ownership app may be worth using if you're looking for a convenient, all-in-one platform to search for homes and manage your mortgage application in one place. It shines in speed, user experience, and direct integration with Rocket Mortgage services. However, if you want broader market comparisons or are not planning to use Rocket for financing, you might find it less useful. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.